This tutorial will give you an overview of the entire system. What is important to absorb in this tutorial is the scope of the system and the general flow of the system. Don't concern yourself with specific buttons or specific features and functionality. That will be covered in additional tutorials and/or training. The objectives for this tutorial are to view the 4 basic parts of running a practice. In the follow-on tutorials, you're going to see lots of features and functionality, but don't feel overwhelmed by that. What it all comes down to is the 4 simple tasks. 1. Add a patient into the system. 2. Schedule a patient in the system. 3. Document an encounter in the system. 4. Create a claim and/or invoice in the system. Everything else is just supporting these actions. It really is that simple. If nothing else, remember, it's all about the process. To fully realize the benefits of partnering with Red Pine Services, understanding the concept of business process is fundamental. An efficient, repeatable, consistent set of processes is the cornerstone of using the Red Pine Services system. All efforts must be made to adhere to all business processes within the system. Please avoid workarounds. Rather, contact us for assistance as required. The first of 4 things you do to run a practice is adding patients. Simply click the Add Patient icon here to start the process. The second part of running a practice is scheduling patients. This is generally done by the front desk in their tab. There are many ways in which to schedule a patient. If it seems like you should be able to do it, you probably can. Use the upper schedule to see details about all practitioners in the office for a single day. Customize your upper schedule to show different visit types as different colors. Make your new patient evaluations one color, your adjustments a different one, and your massage appointments yet another. Use the lower schedule to see the whole week for a specific practitioner. This is ideal for cluster booking strategies. The patient queue is used to manage your patient flow within the office. It tracks which patients are in what rooms. How long have they been in the practice? How long have they been in a specific room? Who are they there to see, and for which service? Automated processes ensure all of the correct tasks are completed upon check-in and/or check-out. Instant messaging for a specific patient, and even attaching a picture of the patient to be viewed here is possible. From the Patient Care tab, the practitioner or CA who is starting the documentation for the practitioner will drag and drop the patient profile into the Start Treatment box. This is the 3rd primary task in running a practice. Document the patient encounter. The encounter will automatically be created, and the practitioner will document the treatment using one or a combination of several documentation interfaces, with the end result being the creation of a chart note in SOAP format, and a date of service that you can send to billing. Finally, use the various tools and interfaces in the system to create a claim or invoice. If we go to the Business tab, for example, the primary tool for claim management is the Claim Manager, located at the top of the Business tab. The reports that exist are there to ensure your practice is balanced and on track at the end of each business day or month. The Preferences link allows you to adjust the size of your daily schedule to your personal taste. And for those staff members who do not have access to the Admin tab, you can make changes to their own user account. We have a Help section here, where you can directly submit a support ticket to our support director, submit a feature request, and links to all of our tutorials, to train, retrain, or view system update tutorials, and a frequently asked questions section here. We have an internal messaging board for communication between doctors and staff, between multiple offices, and the Red Pine support staff can send you a message as well. This is the Admin tab. Only a select few in your practice will have access to the Admin tab. This is where management adds users to the system, makes changes to the system settings, such as office hours, practitioner preferences, fee schedules, adds products and services, and other system setup items. And to the far right is the name of the user who is currently logged into the system on this machine. The system tracks everything that is done by the user who is logged in. Therefore, you should never share accounts or allow other staff members to use the system while logged in as somebody else, other than themselves. Remember, it's all about the process. Understanding the concept of business process is fundamental. An efficient, repeatable, consistent set of processes is the cornerstone of using the Red Pine Services system. You will learn the specifics in follow-on tutorials.